Welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing the two popular methods of trapping dirt and grime in car washing: grit guard versus dirt trap. These two products have become increasingly popular in recent years and are now considered a must-have for any car enthusiast. So, let's dive in and take a closer look at these two products. What is grit guard? Grit guard is a product designed to keep your wash water clean while washing your car. It's a circular plastic insert that sits at the bottom of a wash bucket, creating a barrier between the dirt and the water. The idea behind the grit guard is that it traps dirt particles in the bottom of the bucket and prevents them from being transferred back onto your car. The design of the grit guard allows for the dirt and debris to fall through the small openings at the bottom and remain at the bottom of the bucket. How does a dirt trap work? A dirt trap is another product that's designed to trap dirt and debris while washing your car. However, unlike the grit guard, a dirt trap is placed at the top of the bucket. It has a series of small fins that sit at the bottom of the bucket and create a barrier between the dirt and the water. As you wash your car, the dirt trap filters out dirt and debris and keeps it trapped at the bottom of the bucket. The design of the dirt trap allows for the dirt and debris to settle at the bottom of the bucket, ensuring that your wash water stays clean. Which one is better? Well, the truth is that both grit guard and dirt trap work effectively in trapping dirt and debris while washing your car. However, there are a few differences between the two that might make one a better choice for you. The grit guard is an excellent choice if you're looking for a more cost-effective option. It's also a great option if you're washing larger vehicles such as trucks or SUV, as the grit guard's larger surface area can trap more dirt and debris. On the other hand, a dirt trap is a better option if you're looking for a product that's easier to use. The dirt trap sits at the top of the bucket, so you don't have to worry about placing it in the right position. Which one is easier to maintain? Another factor to consider when choosing between grit guard and dirt trap is maintenance. Both products require some level of maintenance to keep them clean and effective. However, the dirt trap is generally considered to be easier to maintain. Since the dirt trap sits at the top of the bucket, it's easier to remove and clean compared to the grit guard. To clean the dirt trap, you simply need to rinse it off with clean water and let it air dry. Overall, both grit guard and dirt trap are effective in trapping dirt and debris while washing your car. The choice between the two ultimately comes down to personal preference and your specific needs. If you're looking for a more cost-effective option or washing larger vehicles, the grit guard may be the better choice for you. However, if you're looking for a product that's easier to use and maintain, the dirt trap may be the better option. Regardless of which product you choose, both grit guard and dirt trap are essential tools for any car enthusiast looking to keep their car clean and well maintained. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful in deciding between grit guard and dirt trap. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.